Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change the name on a meter. Start by locating the account and meter numbers on your bill and gather photo ID plus proof of ownership or tenancy. Contact the utility's customer service or use their online portal to submit the request, upload documents, and sign any required forms. Note expected processing times and keep copies of confirmations for your records. Collecting the right document speeds up the meter name change. Always have a government photo ID and a secondary address proof ready, plus a recent utility bill showing your meter number. If you own the property, bring the deed or sales contract. Renters should show a signed lease. Some utilities require a sign transfer form or authorization letter from the prior account holder, so secure those before you submit. Begin by checking the utilities guide for their exact procedure and any fees. Fill out the name change form online or in person, attach the required ID and proof documents, and get a confirmation number or receipt. Allow the quoted processing time, then contact customer service if the change hasn't appeared on the account or next bill. Keep printed or digital copies of all submissions for future reference and troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.